With man, things are impossible, but with God, all things are possible. All in Greek is pan. It means the sum of all parts, without exclusion. Nothing is outside. Possible is Dynatos. It means capable of handling the weight of a full transformation. The power to execute that transformation is available with God. As a person, we have a load limit: metabolic, emotional, cognitive, temporal. The impossible is when your internal structure reaches its limit and begins to crack. But alignment changes everything. You're not trying harder. You're surrendering your will so that the architect can rebuild your foundation. You are not the source of the power. You are the conductor. God re-engineers the foundation to carry what you cannot. Impossible means restoration is required.